Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to use ChatGPT without phone number. When you are signing up for ChatGPT, it will ask for an email address and phone number. People can just create a new email for ChatGPT whenever they want. But the case is not the same in terms of a phone number. Not everyone is comfortable sharing their phone number with OpenAI, which has resulted in questions in people's mind about creating an account in OpenAI without a phone number. The answer to this question is simply a no. A phone number and a valid email address are necessary to create a new account in OpenAI, but you can try certain other things to protect your phone number. You can get a temporary prepaid SIM card. We have prepaid SIM cards that anyone can purchase at close to zero charges and then subscribe to a plan temporarily. You can use these to temporarily get a number that you can use to sign up for OpenAI. Once you are done with the registration, you don't need the phone number for further logins. You can get rid of it entirely. And the second solution is you can use a free online phone number services. Another workaround is to use an online service that gives out phone numbers for one-time usage. You can Google free phone numbers for OTP verification and you will see several websites. Pick one of your choice and use it to generate a number for an OpenAI account. To do that, simply search here free temporary phone number and you can use or open any website from this list. This is a very popular website to verify any OTP in website called Receive SMS website. So open this website and from here you can open any phone number. Just click on the number which you want to use to verify your OpenAI account. And all you have to do is just copy this number from here and go to your OpenAI or ChatGPT website and verify. And here you'll get the OTP verification code. So that's how you will be able to verify your ChatGPT account, or you can use your ChatGPT account without a phone number. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.